Top 5. Best Dive Knife. Features in the ocean. And like your favorite action hero, we also carry our favorite knives with us every time we enter the water. Number 5. Zip Diving Knife. Out of the water as it is under the blue waves of the ocean. At 8.3 total inches, with a 3.7-inch blade, you have a complete blade made from 440C stainless steel. The pointed tip of the blade has two edges that give it superior cutting power in any direction. Knife is sharp and strong. Very comfortable grip. Heavy butt of the knife is good for signaling. Number 4. Spyderco Pacific Salt Scuba. It's on the list. Thus far, we have featured fixed blade designs with an included sheath. The Pacific Salt knife, however, is a folding knife. The advantage of this knife is that it has a clip system that allows you to attach it to your equipment. Almost completely rust-proof. Being a cumbersome nuisance. The blade length is 3.8 inches. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Dive Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Atomic Aquatics Titanium T6 Scuba. And this notion carries cleanly into their T6 dive knife. The full tang of the blade is made from corrosion-resistant titanium, meaning you won't have to spend time and energy cleaning the blade after a dive. You also don't need to freak. Low maintenance and high durability. Rubber handle is comfortable. Straps are easy to adjust. Number 2. Cressey Lima Tactical Dive. Sure, you won't win any fashion contests with this blade, but you will have an easy-to-use and comfortable handle that gets the job done. You do need to rinse and dry the blade adequately to make sure it has a long life of service. Blade and sheath only weigh 3.7 ounces. Can attach to any equipment or diver's body. Top side has serrations and line cutter. Number 1. Promate Scuba Dive. For almost any diving situation. The 4.3x8-inch blade is made from lightweight and corrosion-resistant titanium. The handle is molded from rubber to offer a comfortable grip with or without gloves. The light weight of this knife makes it feel almost as if you weren't carrying a knife at all. Lightweight yet strong. Low maintenance with high rust. Comfortable to hold. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Dive Knife or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.